6 inverse trig functions. Sine inverse, cosine inverse, and tangent inverse of x. And 3 more. Cotangent inverse, secant inverse, and cosecant inverse. I'm only asking you to remember the derivatives of these 3. The other ones, you can look them up. But I would like you to remember just these 3. Very important. So remember, this is the same with arc sine x, or arc cosine x, or arc tangent x. Okay? So when we differentiate arc sine x, we get 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. Very easy to remember them together. When we differentiate arc cosine x, we get the same thing, but with a minus in front. So not difficult to remember these two. And arc cotangent prime, that's why we graphed this function a long time ago. That's why I said it's very important. Arc cotangent prime is even easier. So to remember. So arc tangent prime equals 1 over 1 plus x squared. And the remaining few minutes, let's differentiate a couple.
Can you show the bottom of the last page with the top of this page? Just like, yeah, can you move them and just make it a bit?
Like this?
You can see. Yeah, but also show the arctangent prime. Like, you can put the top sheet above that one, at the bottom, put them kind of in the middle, just so we can see both at the same time.
Like this?
Yes, please.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so here's an example. Let's say f of theta equals arc sine of the square root of sine theta. So this time, this is a function uppercase f, and the independent variable is theta. So let's differentiate. F prime of theta, arc sine will be 1 over the square root of 1 minus the argument squared. So this is the argument. So this is arc sine of blah blah. So this will be 1 over the square root of 1 minus this squared. So how much is this squared?
Just sine theta.
Very good. Times the inner function prime. The inner function prime. This is the outer. This is the inner. I have to differentiate the inner function. See how useful my props are? So can anyone differentiate this for us?
So Sandra. Oh no, my bad. Oh, sorry.
Don't worry. Go ahead. Anyone? Anyone?
And our function prime is going to be cosine theta. Square root.
Okay. 1 over 2, the square root of sine theta, and then times. You probably said it. I couldn't hear it. I don't think I'm losing my hearing. I just think that you're very soft. This is it. I don't recommend you do anything. Just leave it alone. Any questions? Okay, I only have 2 minutes left. Just a quick arc tangent x squared. Last problem for tonight. Y prime. Can anyone get us started? Two arctangent x times 2 minus 1 power 1 arctangent prime. How much is arctangent prime?
1 over 1 plus x squared.
That's it.